All right, let's take a look at our A major scale for 7th string. It's 2.5 octave scale and arpeggio. Let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our 2nd finger on fret number 10. There's our A note. So on the 7th string, we'll be utilizing frets 10 and 12. On string number 6, we're gonna be going 9, 10, and 12. And then we're gonna be going 9, 11, and 12 on the next 2 strings. On the next string, we're going to be using 9 and 11. And then on string number 2, we're going to be using 9 and 10 to get to our root note. There's our A. Now we're going to go to measure 12 and keep going to utilize those extra notes we have. As far as this positioning goes, that's our final E note, but we're going to use these other notes as well, since they're available to us. The arpeggio starts on string number 5, and it's going to be the 12th fret. So there's our A note there. And so we're going to be going 12th fret for string 5, 11th fret for string 4. String 3 will be at fret 9, fret 10 on string 2, fret 9 and 12 for the 1st string. And it'll sound like this. And you can do a pull off, head back down the other way. All right, so there's your A major scale and arpeggio for the 7th string. Have a great day.